Hey everyone, what's up? It's the Unper Pro, and okay, in this episode of RPG Maker, I was gonna do what was recommended, continuing events. I think I don't really understand the question, but I'll go ahead and try to explain how to do that. From what I do understand of it, basically you would. Well, that's not what this episode is gonna be mainly be about, but I'm gonna cover two things, I guess, in this episode. So if you want to continue an event. I'm guessing, like, what you guys mean is from another person asking something similar, and, well, I'm guessing what you guys mean is, like, you have one actor says, oops, hold on, hi. Sorry about the whole nose thing, I'm really congested. I'm always congested. Sorry, guys. Anyways, so you want him to say hi, but then you don't want him to say the same thing twice. Basically, all you have to do is copy event page, paste it. Self switch A is on, or you can do a regular switch or a variable, depending, like if you want to have them say multiple things. You can also do the whole thing all in one without even having to make new pages, but new pages are easier to manage. So if page 2, hi again, oops. But go back to page 1 and then simply turn on the self switch. And go ahead and show you what that does. I hope this is the answer to your questions. Because you can use this for different, like you can start an event on this map and continue it on the next map by doing the same thing. But not using self switches, just using regular switches and variables, and then continuing it with an auto run or a parallel process. Recommended auto run. Hi. Hi again. And now he always says hi again. You can turn it on and off, or you can have it completely random by using variables. Okay. And 500 G were found. Lovely. Alright, now let's get on to what this tutorial is going to be about. What this tutorial is going to be about is how to make a really good puzzle. Because, what's a game without a puzzle, right? No, that was not cool. I actually did not finish this map. I was going to. I have a little cave thing here. I kind of did all this using auto tiles, but holding shift and all that. Good stuff. Let's make a ladder to go back up the... Actually, let's make a rope. Oh. Hold on, it's not going to be like that. Hang on. Just make the rope a little bit taller there. There we go. So, this is our rope. And that's going to lead us back up. So I'm going to save that real quick. Alright, so anyways, let's go ahead and make the event where you go down the well. Go down well. But, anyways, yeah, it's like a little puzzle thing. Anyways, so if you want to download these map files for testing, or the well map, or whatever map you want to download, it'll be in the batch thing, I guess. You can download these maps. In the description, if I do remember to upload them, which I hope I do. Anyways, yes or no? Yeah, if yes, let's go ahead and transfer the player. Right here. Transfer him right here, I guess. Face down. Now, in the well puzzle, when the player touches this right here, and is facing up, which this is going to prevent him from just walking to the left and then all of a sudden activating the event. I don't think that really matters, but oh well, you get to learn new things. Below characters, player touch, then you do conditional branch on page 1, the flow control. Go to tab 4, and you do, or no, it's not tab 4. I thought it was. Okay, it's tab 3. Character is facing up. You can do so many things with this, which I'm going to be covering in future episodes. But for now, let's go ahead and do this. And if player is facing up, set move route, move up 3 times. Skip if can't move, just in case. Wait, and then transfer player. Let's transfer him back up here. Now, say, well, he did climb up, so technically he would be... going in through that side, I guess. You can go in through that side, but it doesn't matter. I'll go over more stuff in the future, and you can kind of learn in the future and all that cool stuff. So let's save this and see how this works. Yeah, see, he's only capable of moving up twice. That's why I said ignore if can't move. Go down well. Oh, you know what? That's not in the same. Has to be on the same layer. So go back to this little event right here and put it on same as characters. That way the character can actually talk to it. Well, yeah, you're talking to a well, perfectly normal, right? Yes, perfectly normal. Go down well, yes. We got some music. Oh, I gotta make it to where you can walk in the water. Normally you can't. And I'll show you how you can make it where you can walk in the water. And yeah, so we got our first little spot here. Now let's see how well this works. Yep, does it automatically. Oh, he does. He goes up 3 times and goes out of the well. However, I have to change the music really quick on this. Really do need to change music. Oh, this is some soundtracks I got on the internet. This guy's... Actually, I can probably show you that now. This guy right here. Aaron Krog. Well, here's the link. You can get really cool stuff there. He has a list of really great music, and he's allowing people to use it even in commercial games. So big props to that, and to that guy, and yeah. Matter of fact, you know, we're gonna use some of his music here. So let's if I can remember which one it was. Yeah, we're gonna use this because it's really nice. It's a nice soundtrack, and it's just really nice. And you're probably wondering why it's so dark. That's because I just modified the tile set a little bit, just to make it look better. You can download everything here in the description. Now, of course, I'm probably not going to be allowed to redistribute his files, so you're not going to have the music in this. But so what were we doing again? Oh yes, yay for short term. No, I just kind of lost my train of thought for a second there. So we go to dungeon, and basically what we're going to do is this right here will become walkable, so to speak. Now you could do bush, and that'll actually have the character kind of go through it to make it look like he's more in the water, like so. Who says RPG Maker VXAs can't make really good maps? See, he's kind of in the water now, and you can actually walk in and out of the water. So there you go. If you ever want to make shallow water, well, that's how you do it. Now see, look. Okay, if you somehow glitch hack it, what? Oh, you know what? I did that completely wrong, didn't I? No. If players facing up, that's how it should be. Well, whatever. You're not going to be able to actually get to that anyways, unless maybe you can. Okay, something is really glitching out right now. No, okay, good. You can't. Yeah, you can't get to it any other means. Anyways, all right. So let's go ahead and get started on the puzzle. So, where do we begin? Okay, sorry, I have not rehearsed this. So here's going to be our first little sign, but you actually want to have it below it. And again, same as characters, action button. Now what you're going to do is show text, and you're going to be like, this is the first hint. Let's see. Number of rocks in room. Just something as simple for now. It's going to get a lot harder. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 rocks. Alright, so we have that. That's our hint. And now we're going to have a little switch here. Maybe right here. If you want, you can have it like really high up, but it wouldn't really make much sense, I guess. I don't know. You can have it however you want, really. Gotta find the switch is down here. Duh. No, these aren't on the walls. Oh, here's a wall switch. Actually, you know what? It wouldn't make sense either because it needs to be the number. It has to be like a number thing. So you know what? We might just make a. Yeah, you know what? We're just gonna do this. Direction fix. And I forgot what the order is. Hang on, I'm just gonna look at the order of the animation. 2, 3. Obviously, it's. But is it like down, left, right, up, or yeah, I think it is down, left, right, up, or right, left, up. Who knows? We'll find out eventually. You know what? Never mind. We'll just kind of make it just push in. So yeah, have a button here. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to. Same as characters, and play sound when pressed. Well, obviously a button does not make that sound. Obviously not. Let's find a. Sorry, maybe. Maybe a close sound. Hold on, let me turn my speakers up a little bit. Yeah, maybe not. That was funny. Maybe? Hmm. Huh. Oh. There we go. Key. That's perfect. The key sound. So, now, this event, you want to do, I think it's right, left, down. Turn right, wait for 4 frames, turn left, wait for 4 frames. Oh, it's up, okay. Wait for 4, well no, you don't have to do that last time. So, turn right, wait for, turn left, wait for, turn up. When done, you'd say, this is like the most confusing thing ever. Input number. And then input number, 1 digit, and it's stored in variable 1 for the tutorial. If variable 1's obviously in use, you would use a different one. But so variable 1, we're gonna name something. I don't know, just name it something. I am completely tired right now. It is almost 2 a.m. and I always stay up at night. It's weird. Alright, so anyways, yeah, we're doing this. So input 1, and now you would do conditional branch. If variable something, make sure you're on the variable that you made, is equal to 4, which is the amount of rocks in this one little room. We are now going to click OK. And you know what? We might just go ahead and modify this file, this little map. So it's going to be like, yeah. Okay. Okay, you see how like okay, you know what I'm just going to make, hang on. Okay, like this. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to make like a little, something to like block in the way. Maybe we can have it do maybe a tile set B or a C. Something that just blocks the way and doesn't let you get in unless you do something. So again, like you can use whatever object you want. I'm going to use this thing. Now we're going to do, if it's 4, you're going to do control variables and make another variable underneath or whatever space you have free. Name this one rooms, because okay, rooms is set to 1. Depending on what rooms will equal, it'll tell us which like how much you've progressed, basically. That was a mouthful. I messed all that up, didn't I? I'm sorry, guys. Else say incorrect. Now, so let's now go here and new event page. Variable rooms is equal to 1 or above. Okay. Now, save the game, and let's test that out. Dun, 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 dun. I need to turn my speakers down now that I've heard the music. Alright, so let's go here. You can see. We'll change that in a second. Input number 4. And there you go. Han. You know what, let's make that a little more transitional. Let's do fade out screen. Then play sound effect. No, not that. Let's do earth sounds. Yeah, there we go. Like that. We wait for 60 frames and then fade in screen. Now we're gonna say text. Something moved. No, something movied. Alright. Now, this right here obviously needs to be the same as characters. And what we're gonna do here is, hold on. something. Wait, dang it! Something blocks the path. Okay. Now, obviously, in the next page, it's not going to be like that. You need to make sure it's below the characters in the next page. Otherwise, you just have like an invisible wall there. And the next thing we're gonna do is gonna be quite interesting. I really don't know how I'm gonna pull this. I might as well just set this up now. Never mind. And let's do this. You know what? I'm gonna fix this up too. Basically, again, you just hold the shift and do your thing. All right, so we're gonna have that, and we're obviously gonna copy this. Press copy, paste right here. But this time, say if it's equal to 2 or above. That's all you gotta do. Change that one little thing. And this sign, just copy and paste this too. Copy, press Control C, press Control V to paste it. So you have the same thing here. Now this hint will be, let's actually think of something. Ooh, this is a good one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Max number of horizontal steps. Because, who's going to think of that? I mean, max number of horizontal steps in this room. It's just, again, it starts off easy like this and like the one we had just before. And what was it, 15? And it gets harder and harder as you graduate. Or as you graduate, yes. As you graduate. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What? I'm off. Count again. Oh, that's right. It starts with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yep, it's 15. So, I have another switch here, like right here. Actually, put this switch right here, I guess. The same thing, but this time, instead of 1, put 2 digits. And if it's equal to 15, then it's same thing, but instead of changing it to 1, right here, the control variables, make that a 2. You know what? To make life a lot easier on us, let's just do it this way. Change that to 1, click add, right here, so it adds by 1. Oh, wait, no. Okay, I did something wrong. Right here, copy page, paste, and then say self switch A is on. Just have the animation to where it's pushed in like this, and there, that's all you gotta do. Then I'm gonna copy this page right here, and go back to this right here, and then after the control variables, do self switch A is on. Alright. Go back here, paste the event page so you have self switch thing again. And then, yeah, now you can do the whole add by 1 thing. Self switch A is on. Copy this. I'm just going to replace it with this one. So instead of equals 1, just make it plus equals 1. So now, let's test that out. Yes. Something blocks the path. As you can see, our little hint works. Oh, you know what? Might want to turn self switch A on like before the transition finishes. So we got another thing. Something blocks the path. Apparently, it doesn't want to do the moving thing. So wait, 15. Something moved. Yeah, okay, yeah, you want to do all that before. So, let's change things up here. Instead of doing this, we do change graphic, I believe. No, we don't. Okay, apparently we... Actually, you know what? All you gotta do is... Okay. Minus plus equals 1. Now, when it fades out, right after fade out, that's where you put these 2 things right here. I'm sorry, guys. I know this is probably really confusing to you all, and I'm very sorry. Just put that like that. And we should be good. Again, like, we don't even really need these set move route things because it's not going to work for some reason. I don't know why. It should be working. I just haven't really figured it out. Let's say something, another simple thing, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, we already had a 4. Oh, here we go. We're gonna do some little bit of math. 2, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 and 10. So, oops. You know what? I need to just paste that. So this room's hint will be max number of vertical steps plus the number of horizontal steps in this room. So you got 2 plus 10. So the real answer is 12. Put this thing here. Well, you know what? Let's draw some more here first. Put that here. And this time, go to here and set it to 3 or above. And you can't press the switches again, by the way. That's because they're already done and all that. That prevents you from opening all these with one switch. So, edit the switch here. And if it's equal to 12 this time, instead of 15, as you can see, press space to edit it quickly, by the way. So if it's equal to 12, it does the same thing. So let's see how that works. Put a number. 4. Something is moved. And there we go. See? The button's pushed in. You can't push it again. Read the hint here. Okay. Okay, yeah, I know that one. It is 15. Oops. Oh, not 16. Oh, Mega Man. Stop it. Mega Man. Did I say Mega Man? It's not like I said Mega Man, but I didn't. I don't know. Obviously something blocks the path. Next number of vertical steps plus the amount of horizontal steps in this room. So that's 12. You know, you might want to, if you're really organized, you might just want to say horizontal then plus vertical. Because, you know, people usually like to go by high number plus low number. But that makes it all the more hard, I guess. Not really. Alright, so yeah, so now we have this so far. And I'm just gonna need to modify the map slightly here. No big deal. Okay, let's go with that. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna have 2 rooms here. Now this is gonna be a little bit more advanced. We're gonna put another one here. This one is going to be using another variable because this is going to be a room to a treasure. I just decided that. So here's 4. No. Rooms, treasure. Make another one called treasure. Is equal to 1. And we'll get back to that later after we're done with this. So put another one here. Modify this one. So it's 4 or above. And I need to put another sign. You know, in fact, I'm just going to move you here since you're going to be a treasure room. So, we got another sign, and now I'm just going to copy and paste this. And we're going to be like, yo, what's the puzzle for this? Ooh, this is going to be this is going to be a challenging one. Okay. Han. Letters are numbers. L equals question. Okay, that's obvious. Okay, let's... L equals... Hold on. There we go. I got something. Okay, if J equals 10, L equals... question. Wait, we already have a... You know what, it's fine. If J equals 10, L equals what? Okay, that's the thing. And... got our little button. We got our button. And it's the same thing if it's 12. Because, you know, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So L is 12 in the alphabet. So that's how this one's going to work. And... Well, obviously that's the same thing. That's all we really need there. So copy this button and put it over here. You're not going to have a hint for this one. Actually, you know what? Okay, yeah, you're not going to have a hint for this one. It's going to be up to you to figure it out. Basically, what this treasure room is going to be, the password, is going to be all of the digits combined together. So, looking pretty nice, our little puzzle room here. Let's go ahead and add a treasure really quick before we continue. Treasure chest. Let's say it contains a life up. Yes, a life up. Everybody likes life ups, right? Okay, so now, copy and paste this doohickey right here. This little dude. And what we're actually going to do is... Hold on, let's move this right here, guys. Alright, you see how like that begins to just not even look like a wall anymore? Basically all you gotta do there is like this. Hold on. Go over here, hold shift, right click, continue to hold shift and just click, normal click. And now you want the side of the wall to look like a side of the wall, so go here, just click, okay, hold shift and just right click to drag up. The normal click, and there. Now you have kind of a layered kind of look, you know. All right, so that's how I did this entire thing by shifting and all that. So we're gonna click here, and the sign. You know, we obviously need a sign in here. So you are gonna go here. Hold on. You know what? I need to paste you like an original sign would, or I would original sign, whatever. Because you know, obviously signs don't paste people and stuff. I'm just gonna have you here. Copy you, paste you. Now what the heck's this gonna be? Okay. Oh, room 1 minus room... Oh wait. No, room 1 is only 4, so... Okay, room 3, which was 12, minus room 1... okay, that's simple enough. Room 3 minus room 1. So room 3 was 12 and room 1 was 4, so it's 12 minus 4. Yeah. Let's do this. Put a button here. Actually, I think, yeah, you'd be good there, I guess. No, that's too close to the edge of the wall. I mean, that's fine. Let's have the button here. Add 1. So if it is 12 minus 4, which is 8. So, yeah. And obviously this one right here. Did we ever change it? No, it needs to be 5 because this is the 5th puzzle. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th puzzle. And that's when you're victorious. So you can go and yeah, do whatever else you want to do for the rest of that. So there's your map. So let's see, we got 4, 15, that's 19, and 19 plus 12, which is 31. So we got 31. What was this one? Oops. 31 plus 12 is what, 43. Yeah, 43. So we got 43 plus 8. That is 51, I believe. Yeah, it's 51. So the answer to get in this room is 51. So if it's equal to 51, instead of rooms plus equals 1, do treasure set to 1, so it equals 1. And let's test this out. I'm just gonna, this is for the beginning of the video so I can show what everything is gonna be going on. Hi. Hi again. Hi again. Hi again. Okay. Go down well? Yes. Okay, let's go to the first hand. Again, this is gonna be for the beginning of the video and the ending. Remember rocks in this room. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're not gonna hear my voice though in the beginning. Our vertical steps plus the number of horizontal steps. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10. Something moved. Got it wrong there. And there you go. So that's it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.